can't stay. Good morning, guys. Today I am staying home and I am going to purge everything. I'm going to purge the dresser, I'm going to purge our closet, I'm going to purge our bathroom, I'm going to purge everything because we've had so much clutter lately and I don't know, it was stressing me out. So today we're going to go through everything. So let's just jump into it. So I made pretty decent progress. This is the whole pile of giveaway stuff, which is pretty big. I think that's pretty good for just a closet and a dresser. Really, Christina's the one that needs to purge because she has a whole closet full of stuff to herself. And I just have half this closet for all my stuff. Alright guys, so you saw me painting the shelves that we're doing for a project. So what I wanted to show you is basically a system that we used to be doing and then what we're doing now so that we can kind of adjust. So basically what we used to do in the mornings to get ready, because the bathrooms are so small, we had a suitcase that was up to there and then we just put this mirror on top and then we set this basket of like hair stuff on the suitcase, and that's how we were getting ready each morning. So what we're gonna do is kind of like a DIY here. We're gonna put a square mirror, we're gonna hang it right around here, and then we are painting, sanding 3 shelves, and one's gonna be a little bit lower so that it can have the hairspray and the tall products, and then we'll have 2 little shelves that we can put like our bobby pins and hair ties and anything else that we need. I have the white mirror right here. It's literally like a $5 mirror from Walmart. We're just gonna hang that up over here, and then we're gonna put 3 shelves below it. Alright guys, so I'm about to eat some spaghetti with some Parmesan cheese and mozzarella. That's my lunch, and then maybe edit a little bit because I have a lot of videos coming out soon that I'm really excited about, so I'm super excited to edit that for you guys. And then I might mark the shelves where I want them to go for when Cristina gets home, and then really she'll be home and we'll be able to hang it up, so I'm super excited for that. Oh my goodness. Christina's home and the puppies are out here. Look how clean it is, guys. Look how clean. If you saw our last video, that dresser was looking a little messy. So I just finished editing the polar bear plunge video. If you haven't watched that yet, go check it out. I'll link it below. And we are going to head to the gym. No barking. And then go get sushi. I love sushi. I love it.
Wait, I didn't have no hair in there.
Okay, so yeah.
Cheese.
We're gonna go get sushi, so
Cheese.
We'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
Cheese. So, once again, I feel like y'all are gonna pick up on this. We changed our mind about the gym. Skipping the gym because I'm super sore and we thought it was a bad idea. I kind of have some bad back problems. And so now we're just gonna go to the date and do our maxing out tomorrow. Like to feed the belly. And then might go see a movie. Still haven't decided on which one, but we will keep you updated. So Lauren's not being very nice right now, but she wants a drink of my drink, so she's gonna tell y'all that she loves me.
I am being nice.
She isn't listening. You're gonna tell them that you love me.
I love
Get
you.
a drink.
I love you.
There you go. That's how that works. That's marriage.
Guys, we used to live in those apartments right there. Palisades. That's the first place we lived when we moved to Maryland. We're here at the sushi place. Really bad lighting. Okay, we're here. We got shrimp tempura rolls. And Cristina got, what'd you get? What'd you get? Whiskey Coke. Cristina still has 4 left, but so good.
Because we love food so much and we're so passionate about it, if you want home cooked food, she cooks it. Come to Lauren. If you want sushi, come to Red Parrot. It's delicious. If you want Mexican food, mi casita, right? There you go. There you have it.
Okay. Take your time. Movie is in 13 minutes.
Oh, you filming? Couldn't get my toothpick out.
It's just a flurry.
So we just got done seeing Tonya. I'm pretty sure none of y'all have ever heard of that movie. My wife was very excited to see it, and it was 2 thumbs down. Let's ask Lauren her take on it. Lauren?
I liked it. Hey guys, it's the next day and we wanted to end the vlog. I'm sorry, this is like the 3rd time we've recorded this. Anyways, we wanted to end the vlog, but first we wanted to show you guys what we finished, which it's not secret, it's the shelves. So we wanted to show you guys. All right.
Winnie?
What is she doing? Okay. Oliver. His eyes are so red. He's tired. Yeah. Tour guide.
This is the wider, longer shelf. Well, it's not longer. That's why. This is the wider shelf. They're all 18 inches long. These are the shorter width ones. I think these are 4 by 18, and this is 6 by 18. So we did the wider one because she's gonna put glass jars in these for the hair deals and stuff, and bobby pins and sock bun and stuff. This is our wiener ring holder,
Which you saw earlier.
and but we put this one a little bit lower, obviously, for the hairspray, and then she's gonna put our brushes and stuff in jars too. But this is the completed process. Teamwork makes a dream work. She's perfection, I'm handy.
You
So
think?
AKA she leveled it and made it centered, and I just
They're making the weirdest noises over here.
let's just keep talking and see if she'll keep doing that noise. She's about to, I feel it. I feel it in my bones. They love each other.
Anyway guys, we wanted to thank you for watching the vlog, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Click the bell if you want to get notified the next time we post.
Where's the bell at? I keep saying, I thought you were saying like subscribe or click below, so I keep doing that, and then you say a bell. Where's the bell?
Comment below if you guys have any video requests, and I will link the polar plunge vlog. It's really cool. I dive in literally freezing water, so I thought it was pretty interesting. Did you like it?
Yeah, that's a good one. I liked it.
It's a liar. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Click the bell if you want to be notified the next time that we post.
I don't know how to make a bell.
Just try.
Maybe that was inappropriate.
Cut.